So some temporary internet files especially can be deleted to reduce space. If you're running out of space on your Windows hard disk or SSD, Windows Update Cleanup, this can be used. The Windows software keeps copies of all installed updates from Windows Update. Even after installing newer versions of updates, Windows Update Cleanup deletes or compresses older versions. So that you can do. Microsoft Defender files, non-crucial files used by Microsoft Defender antivirus. Okay, there's not not much there, but you can also do those thumbnails. Windows keeps a copy of all your pictures, videos and document thumbnails, so they can be displayed quickly when you open a folder, so you can delete those as well. And temporary internet files. Temporary internet files contains web pages stored on your hard disk for quick viewing, so your personalized settings for web pages will still be left intact even when you delete all the temporary internet files. So there's also Windows error reports that can use up quite a bit of space as well. But if you go to your C drive storage, and then you click on the apps and features, you can uninstall unnecessary apps. But if you click on the temporary internet files, then it gives you all the options of what you can delete, and you simply have to tick the box whether you want a particular type of file deleted or not. So once you've ticked the boxes that you're happy with, then you click on the remove files, and Windows will automatically purge those files, and you'll have more space. Okay, Windows Update takes up quite a bit of space as well. So yeah, I'm going to also get rid of those. So thank you for watching, and please do share and like if this is helpful for you. Thank you very much.